Good morning, guys. Woke up in the tent and the sun is blasting Mom's face, and for a little bit her son was also blasting her face. This little guy, I'm so proud of him. He slept throughout the whole night. Taika, I'm so proud of you. Taika, good boy. You slept through the whole night, huh? Yeah, he did so good. That was his little sleep section. His little puppy sleeping bag. You can see a little bit better during the day. And Mom Bear was so good. She set up his little feeding station here, and then also a diaper changing station. So we got things storage on the roof, and this is what the campsite looks like during the day. Sun coming in nice and bright. The dogs, I had to tie it and move the dogs back over to that side, because the minute the sun came out, they started going into other campsites back that way. I did like smelling food, and I was like, oh shit, what if there's like a little kid and come out see big ass meatloaf? So I moved them. This guy's just crawling around now. I'm just exploring. But it's a nice morning. I think both me and Mom are still trying to catch a little bit of Z's. Get a little bit more rest, because we did sleep late. Just talking and bonding. And then we ended up waking up at 5, so we only slept like 4 hours. We're out here exploring, walking around this morning. Mom Bear with the little Taika. And then we got the cutie little doggies. Trying to give them a little morning walk. And we were looking for the lake. But I think we just found out that the lake isn't around here. And where we're at, it's just a bunch of campsites. And the campsite, like when it's empty, it looks like this. This is one of them. You get to pull your car, RV, or boat in or whatever. And each campsite, at least on this side, comes with a little grill and a fire pit. So this is actually pretty comfortable. Oh, and there's showers and bathrooms over there. So if you guys are ever in, what area is this, like San Bernardino or something? Can you not walk zigzag, please? You walk in a straight line, you're gonna trip me. If you're ever in this area, check it out. We really like this place. And you see a bunch of families come, and some of these families do it up. Like they got RVs. I've seen those big old family tents. I even seen the one for outside. They have a big old mosquito net just to so that when they're at night, you know, when you have all the lights on and all the bugs start flying to you, they're able to stay outside, well, kind of outside, because they're in that mesh thing. But let me see if I can find one. See, this family has a boat, and that family right there, you see that with that like yellow raft. I don't want to zoom in or anything, but you see that mesh thing? So they set up all their dining set in that mesh thing. So they have a big old tent and that mesh thing, and I think they have an RV, and I think they even have a separate portable changing room. So some of these. There's another dog over here? Yeah. There's another meatloaf looking guy. Mama just said there's another dog that looks just like Meatloaf. Meatloaf! There's another Meatloaf! There's another Meatloaf! Meet your brother! It's your brother! That guy's beautiful.
Yeah.
Our campsite's actually pretty big, so this is what we're working with. We set up our tent here last night. David is over there. Taika's pack and play is out. And then we have a bunch of chairs, food, coolers, and stuff. And in Boy Scouts, we used to go camping in a place like this, where you would pull in and everyone would park, and then you would have just tents lined up over here. Then you would have like tents lined up over here, and then you can go back here. And I believe this is still part of the campsite, and you can have all these tents lined up in a little circle, which is pretty cool. So this is what we have, and then put on their little 30-foot leashes, so it's linked up so they can still walk around and stuff, as long as they don't tangle themselves, which they've been doing a decent job, but sometimes they still get tangled, and I'm like, oh my god, how does that happen? Put their little food and drink off to the side, and they just hang out with us, and for the most part they always like being right in front of us, in front of the tent, which is super cutie.
Why are you being so cute right now? I see you, peekaboo! Peekaboo! Ah, peekaboo! Peekaboo! Where are you, Taika? Where's Taika? There's Taika! Peekaboo, where are you? Oh shit! Yeah, I almost fell. There's Taika! There he is.
sausage nunchucks. Want to see what I can do with them?
No,
I
no.
was gonna snap off. I'm just kidding. I was like, oh, God, please don't, dude. A part of me is just gonna let him do it.
Because you wanted to see?
It's actually pretty strong.
It's not that strong.
What are you doing? Oh,
So,
snaps.
I've
This looks
never
good.
cooked Eggo waffles like this, but there's a first for everything. And when you're camping, you're just makeshift whatever, so we'll see what happens. Throwing on the Portuguese sausage. Got some Eggo waffles.
Ooh, this reminds me of something.
It's a little bit small though, right? Compared to what you're used to.
Yeah, these are a lot smaller.
Yeah,
And there's 2 of them too,
yeah.
like a cat. Wait, which one has 2
What?
dicks, like a snake?
What
Dude.
are you saying?
Wait, what are you talking about?
Dave is gonna cook
feel
eggs, okay? That's it.
Like guys, when they measure out their penis and they think it's big, they actually think it's like this size. But
Yeah.
It's really about this big.
Aww.
Yeah, guys always think it's longer than it actually is, because this right here would kill somebody's like heart. It would,
Fuck
like,
yeah.
It go from
This
here.
is gonna puncture my fucking internal organs.
Yeah.
This is like porno dick though.
It is.
Sometimes when I watch porno, I see a girl go at a dick like this. I'm like, you earned your money today.
You deserve it.
Yeah. She's like starting from the base here and then here, and then the tip of the penis is still here. She's like, you know, you like your job, don't you?
You gotta give a good little pat.
Yeah.
Good boy.
You're doing a good job.
Good job. Meanwhile, the pups are chilling. We listening to some Frank Ocean, Pandora. I know that wasn't Frank Ocean playing. It was Miguel. This dude is always tangled. All day yesterday, all day today, you've been tangled. Why? Why do they got it figured out? She's supposedly the dumb one and she's chilling. Why, dude? Why? Here. Move. Move. Oh my God. You're so dumb. Let me see. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. All right. And meanwhile, while the guys are cooking, I'm watching King Tekka. King Tekka. And he's gonna have some eggs that David is prepping this pot for. Oh wait, David's in there. Hey, good job, you're not tangled. But meanwhile, while we wait for food, we're all grubbing on Doritos. It's 8 in the morning. Did I mention that? That's disgusting. You're so happy right now. Uh-oh, I know that. Go, 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 go. You're hilarious. Oh, ow, ow. I don't know how that didn't hurt. Your nose got stuck on there. Look how red your nose is. That hurt. I saw. Go, go, go. Take a go, go, go. Oh. Go, take a go, go, go. Take a go. Go, take a go, go, go. Hi. 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 Damn it, that's what did it. That was the straw that broke the camel's back. You guys witnessed it. He was so happy. And that one thing. Oh wait, no, he's preoccupied again. Get him, get it, take it, get it, take it. Get it, take it, get it, take it, get it, take it. Get it, take it, get it, take it, get it, take it, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. R.I.P. headphone users. Sorry about that.
Okay, change of plans. Also, bloody nose.
Wait, what happened, dude?
I don't know. I was just sitting there and blood started coming out. I have no idea.
You're just a buffer version of me, dude.
I don't know. And so we moved the sausage over here because it wasn't cooking. The fire was just too small. So now what we're gonna do, we chopped it up, we're gonna grill them, and then use the fats and oils from there, and then we're gonna put the yummy eggs in there. It already smells good though.
Just like good to go.
Oh yeah.
What is that?
Breakfast. Breakfast is served. Eggo waffle, sausage, eggs,
Oh, waffle is my dad's favorite.
and we're sharing some music history. How's the food? Pretty good?
Bomb. This is my dad's favorite.
Ooh, shit. Oh, shit.
My dad always plays this. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Take a.
Look at my fucking Latin feet.
Why is it always been the hips?
I know. Look at my Latin fucking hips.
It's like you're sneaking to somebody's home.
Alright, so we've been watching David try to fold up his tent for like the past 5 minutes. And he has...
Literally been 10 seconds.
I think it was 10 minutes. I've been sitting here. Taika's like, can't even eat anymore.
It's supposed to be a pop-up tent. It's supposed to
Literally,
be fast.
It doesn't take 10 minutes because all I had to do was just touch those two things together.
Go for it.
He's exaggerated.
Show me.
Let
Show
me
me.
show you.
But what you didn't see, and what I saw was, since you left the flap
How come
open,
the mic's not working anymore?
since you left the flap open, you scooped up a bunch of dirt and then you twisted and you threw it inside. Watch, okay, let's see if David can get it right.
He already looked at the instructions.
Look at this fool.
He did.
Alright.
Look at how manly he looks.
Damn, what a man.
Yeah.
That's
look
a
at
man's
that.
tent.
Oh, muscle. Big
Dang.
buff guy. He's gonna kick my ass so
Wow. That's the epitome of a man right there.
Fuck, look at that. It's like a representation of his dick.
Wow.
Yeah, that's about
Yeah,
right.
twist and turn. Yep. Do the manliest twist. Do the manliest twist you've ever done.
I did this before.
Oh my god,
You
does
did
anyone
it.
send like inside your tent? Oh my god. It's like a cute little caterpillar.
It's like the dashboard thing. You don't have one of those for the windshield that blocks the heat.
It is, but I don't know how. I just did it so easy last time. Hold on a second. I got this.
This is fun.
It is fun.
He's walking all the way around.
Alright, you guys in the comments, write down how long it's gonna take David to do this. Go, write it. Wait for the answer.
I think David got it finally.
Stupid.
How long was it? 10 minutes.
Because the instructions said that you had to fold it in half first and bring it down. You actually just have to press it down and then slide them under each other.
That sounded so manly. What the fuck is going on? You're just gonna take a piece of the dirt home with you, huh?
Just sitting down. Fucking, he's our entertainment.
I like how you just sat on your ass and ate the breakfast that I made, slut.
Yeah, that's what a queen does. Lets the peasants work.
That's not
Thank
what
you.
a queen does. That's what a loser does. Doesn't get the fucking day of her life.
Is that really a loser? I'm actually fed. I'll take it.
Yeah, it doesn't sound as good as I thought it might.
I'll take it.
Yeah, I was like, yeah.
No, put that in here. I want to see you put that in there
All you do
too.
is sit
Don't
on
go
your
hide
ass
and put
You just sit there and look pretty, and you don't do anything, and you make money.
I'm like, yeah, I'll take it. Yeah. My feelings are hurt.
It's not so bad.
Alright, so we are packed and ready to go home. It was a very fast, short trip. Kind of a little blessing in disguise, because after the first night I was like, yeah, I think I've had enough. How about you?
Was it hard? It was hard on because he wants to stick to you all the time.
So it wasn't as hard as the RV trip, that's for sure.
Yeah.
And now he slept through the night, so that was beautiful. But getting him to sleep in such a noisy freaking tent was a little bit rough.
Yeah, everything, like all tent material is like...
Yeah, you should have heard us at like, I think we went to sleep at 1. And you know how you have to unzip? So our tent comes with 2 sides. So you can enter from 2 different sides. And Bart was on one side, I was on the other side. And we kept, did you go the right way? Oh, I just rerouted. Interesting. Boy, I wonder what was in there. Or what is in there. Interesting. Yeah, and you kept hearing this go zzz, zzz, zzz. We kept looking at Taika like, don't wake up. But yeah, it was nice. And I would like to come back with other people. I thought it was really, really cute.
Look at that guy. It's like German Shepherd colored freaking, what is that thing called?
Schnauzer?
Schnauzer. Crazy.
I don't think that was a Schnauzer though.
Oh.
It was a Schnauzer. I'm tripping. Yeah, so the reason why it's only a 1 day thing was Papa forgot that it's summer vacation. And summer vacation means a lot of kids are out of school. A lot of kids are out of school means family trip. So, yeah.
Right there, go there.
So, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so
Family
because
trip.
of that, he just thought, oh, okay, we're going on a Friday. It's a weekday. There's no holidays. So he was like, it shouldn't be packed. But it was packed. You had to make a reservation, and they only had, we lucked out too because they only had 1 spot, or like 6 spots left. There's 2 cars. And they're like, yeah, but, so we got here at 8:30, and they're like, yeah, so you can only stay here tonight, but you have to leave at 12. So we're like, fuck. It took us like 2.5 hours to get here. But again, blessing in disguise, not complaining. This little dude had a good time. You like the tent? Yeah. Whoa, all right, that was fast. But yeah, going home. I'm excited about that. I want to sleep. I didn't sleep at all last night. So I'm excited. I do want to come back though. I want to come back with the whole gang. I think that would have been a different experience too. Okay, Tai's gonna start crying. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Just got home, but the cookie don't stop, and David is treating me and Gio to a treat, and he's gonna make puta jjigae. For those of you guys that don't know, it's like a Korean army soup, and it's bomb. But David is hooking it up with some high quality ass ingredients. When you go to a restaurant, they usually don't have this one. What do you have?
We've got some shabu shabu pork right here, and it's just pork loin that's sliced real thin, but you know, some good quality meat. And then we got some American Wagyu beef.
Oh my God. And he's cutting up some green onions right now, some pork sausage.
You know what's so interesting about Bart, if you guys don't know?
What?
He always has like the dopest shit that I don't have.
Yeah.
He never uses.
I use it once in a while.
Like your knives are better than mine.
It better be.
Like I can tell you don't use your knives because that shit's sharp as hell.
I love dope shit. So, like for example, I was watching a David Chang like cooking show, and he had all clad. Like, did you just fucking dump the onion into the trash? You're disgusting.
I've literally seen you scrape your asshole in front of a bridal shower, so I don't want to hear shit from you.
And I saw that he had all clad. I'm like, hell yeah. See, life is about having dope shit. Doesn't matter if you use it or not. Oh, look how cute you guys are. You guys look like a couple, even though you're brothers and sisters. But you guys look cute on the same bed. That's very nice of you guys. Brigade's about to fall asleep, huh? Had a long day out camping. We got butt naked Taika over there. Butt naked Taika having a good old time, huh? Did you have fun camping for 1 day? Yeah? You did, huh? Yeah, you did. You big cutie. Yeah, you did. Funky dude. Show me your best dance moves. Show me your best dance moves, Taika. Taika loves playing tag with me right now, but I hope he does it on camera, because every time I turn it on, then he gets distracted by the camera. But let's see if he crawls to me. Go back over there. Go back over. Damn it. Go back over there. Over there. Fine. Watch this. Watch this. Okay, he's gonna follow. Taika. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Okay, this is my view. Watch. Look at this little dude. Taika. Taika. Good boy. You crawl so fast now. Okay, Taika's hand is on the camera now, and this thing might just get destroyed. He is squeezing the camera with all his freaking might. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Sorry, dude. God motherfucking damn. Woo-hoo-hoo. Ma bear, look at that puta jjigae.
Motherfucking damn.
Oh my God, this is the best puta jjigae I've ever seen in my life. It looks bomb, dude. David, I'm gonna have to suck your dick later.
Yeah. Yeah, Bart's gonna have to suck your dick.
Yeah, Bart's gonna have to do it.
Yeah, do it, Bart.
God motherfucking, God damn.
God damn.
Do we have noodles?
Yeah, there's noodles in there.
Oh, okay, cool. Yes. Time to grow.
Alright, so Taika's been kicking Dad's ass. I gotta show you. For the past 10 minutes, it's been looking like this. For 10 minutes, he's been kicking his ass. What are you doing? Stop it. Oh my god, you bully. Yeah, I see it. Look at that. From the other side, it looks funny. Stop. Stop beating on my husband, you bully.
Ow.
Do you want him to stop? Just move.
No, but he's having fun.
It looks pretty funny from here. It looks like you're getting your ass beat by like a little kid. Yeah, punch him. Damn, look at all those back muscles. Go, Taika. Beat him up, Taika. Beat him up, Taika. Get him, Taika. Go, Taika, go. 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 Beat him up, beat him up, beat him up. Oh shit, he actually went harder. I charged him up.
Thank you.
Sorry. So everyone's been sleeping except for me. I'm so tired. This is so cute. They've been sleeping for 2 hours now. It's 8 o'clock. I don't think any of us are sleeping tonight. Fuck. Alright, so it is 9 o'clock and the 2 gentlemen so gracefully decided to wake up finally.
We were tired. I tried to sleep and tried to take a 30-minute nap. And when I got up with my alarm, I was like, whoa, what's going on? I took another one and I was just so exhausted. And this guy was exhausted too.
Yeah, and this girl is exhausted too, like crazy. I came home, the first thing I did was just organize everything just because I just didn't want to prolong it. And then like, I feel like my home is like my state of mind. So if my home is a wreck, then my thoughts are a wreck and it bothers the crap out of me. So like I washed that. All of his clothes and his clothes, I washed all of that. We had a bunch of stuff that we took like from a cooler. We had like food, drinks and stuff. Took care of all of that. The kitchen is clean. Everything is clean. Except for that, because I mean, they're there. My garage is in order. Minus whatever Pop Bear was tasked to do, which is the coolers I was talking about. But everything else, like all the camping stuff, I put it away. I put all of that away. All of this is organized and in its bins. The dog stuff is all there and organized. Dogs are fed. Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. Thank you, Fawn. Because all I saw was like from the corner of my eye, like this brown thing coming in. I should know better, right? Because I live here. But anyway, yes, everything's clean, organized, back to 1. And thank you guys so much for watching. It's like the bears, like he's the little bear and then the big bear. Little bear, big bear. So let me translate what Taika said. He said, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Huh?